Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hello everyone, checking in on natural gas. Just a refresher as to why 336 is so important. We've been talking about it in multiple videos now over the past week or two. It was because we rejected from this level many times. It finally became support, and now we are trying to bounce off this level as support. So look at the low of today. We reached that level on oversold hourly conditions. We bounced off of 3354 to be exact, but clearly that 336 level coming back into play. We saw a nice bounce, a 6 cents bounce, almost 2%, but we are now pulling back. So the bulls need to form a higher low compared to 336, and then they need to break that high of the bounce, 3425. If we break 336 support, the bears are going to be taking over in the short term, so it's very important for that support to continue to hold. Looking at the daily time frame, we can see that the bulls have had a very nice bounce, and this would be a great consolidation base of support. So the bounce has been underway for 4 or 5 days. Then we pull back. You can see very clearly here's where it was acting as resistance. Now it's acting as support on this back test, and the bulls want to maintain that level and then see further upside to see this bullish MACD cross and to regain the trend, which is still holding the longer-term weekly uptrend, but the bulls want that confidence back, which was lost after this big-time dump. So a high-volume bullish reversal candlestick last week. We are currently not confirming it. We're going to have to see a close of this week. Ideally, the closer to 350, the better. If the bulls can close above 350, it's going to be a big-time confirmation from last week's bullish reversal candlestick, and that's an ideal scenario for the bulls. So to do so and to see follow-through, we need to see 336 support hold from here. That needs to ideally be the low of this week, and we need to see a break of 3425 as we head into tomorrow to be looking back up into the mid and upper 340s. So looking at UNG on the daily and weekly time frame to get some key levels. The daily time frame, we've got a tightening range forming inside candlesticks. So the range is getting smaller and smaller, tighter and tighter. 838, a break is bearish tomorrow, and a break of 855 would be bullish. So a break is imminent because we're getting so tight, the volume is dropping off, and we're likely going to see an increase in volume and a break of this tightening range tomorrow. Bulls want to see a break of 863 to begin filling this gap to the upside, and the high of last week was 861. So there's plenty of resistance to be watching on UNG, and here's that big bullish reversal candlestick that needs confirmation, and we need to break above 861 in order to see a green week this week and confirmation of that reversal candlestick. So lots of key levels to be watching on UNG, especially heading into tomorrow. Looks like a break is imminent, and we'll check back in after hours tomorrow to see how it all played out. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great night.